So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you how to import a Telnyx number into Retell AI. So in my opinion, Telnyx is better and cheaper than some other alternative like Twilio, Vonage, and Plivo, etc. And it is also easy to use. To get the numbers, we are gonna go to phone numbers. So we're gonna click add. You can buy a phone number from Retell itself, but it's going to be a little bit costlier than if you just buy a number from Telnyx using this SIP trunking. So we are gonna click on this. So we need all these details, okay? Phone number, termination URI, SIP trunk username, password, and nickname. Let us go to Telnyx portal and see how to do it. Okay, so this is the Telnyx portal. First, you have to verify your identity using KYC. I think using passport you can do that. And after that, the first thing is you have to buy a number. You can come here, buy a new number. Just go through the process. Go to here, buy number, and you can choose any country and any area, city. Search here, add the number to the cart, and then gonna buy. Okay, in my case, I have these numbers and I'm gonna import this first number that I already bought into my Retell AI dashboard. Before we do that, we have to create an SIP trunking connection and assign this number to that SIP connection. Then we can import. To create a new SIP connection, we are gonna go to voice and we are gonna click on SIP trunking. Here we are gonna create a SIP connection. Let me name it Targio. I'm gonna choose FQDN. I'm telling you later. I'm gonna hit create, and then here we are gonna choose a subdomain. Let's say Targio1. It does not matter, you can keep any name. We have to add FQDN because you have chosen FQDN. We are gonna come to retail documentation. I'm gonna search retail documentation. There we go. We are gonna search SIP trunk. Okay, we are gonna press hit on the first one and come here. We're gonna click on Telnyx. Here you can see the step-by-step process is also written here. You can also follow this one. It's not necessary that you have to follow my video only. After coming here, we have chosen FQDN as in type, and then we are gonna choose FQDN as this one, sip.retellai.com. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna come back to Telnyx, press FQDN, choose FQDN as choose SRV as instructed, paste sip.retellai.com and hit save. Okay, and then here let us see what are the other instruction. Okay, then they have came here directly. We're not gonna bother, we can just select round robin. This is good. We have to create an username and a password. Okay, I'm keeping it theta1234 and hit next. Now configuration tags, you can choose any tags. Let's say Targio. It does not matter, it is for convenience. Generate comfort noise. This is the noise we hear when our call is on hold. We are going to deselect this one. Generate comfort noise, we don't need that. But noise suppression configuration, we are gonna hit for both inbound and outbound. Remember, this is the configuration, the third one. We are gonna hit next. Now we will come to the inbound protocol. Remember that Retell told us to use TCP as the transport method. We are gonna use TCP, the destination number format, as Retell told us. We are gonna keep this formats. SIP region, you can choose United States or you can also keep it blank. It doesn't matter. Channel limit, I'm gonna keep 10. This is the number of concurrent call that you want to use at a time. Receive compact SIP headers, check this codecs. We are gonna see on what Retell tells. Select G722, 729 and Opus. Select TCP that we already did. So we need only three, 722, 729 and Opus. 722, 729 and Opus. 722, 729 and Opus. Okay. And we are gonna keep everything as it is. We're gonna press next. Outbound voice profile. This is also another thing that you have to create before you assign a number to that outbound voice profile. Okay, let me show you how to do that. You can come to settings, and here you can see outbound voice profiles. You can just hit create a new profile. Okay, we are gonna name it Tergio for our convenience. Create where you want the destination. Basically, I'm gonna keep where you want to call, allow calls. Let's say you don't want your AI to call a particular region. You can always do that. See, if you click on Europe, it will show you all these countries. You can select, deselect any country you want. I'm gonna keep all as checked. And then billing group, you have different billing groups for which thing you are going to, for which number of connection you want this bills to be registered on that particular name. Channel number outbound, I'm gonna keep it 10. You can enable daily spend limit to be saved from spam calls. Record outbound calls. Since Retell is already going to record, we are not going to repeat it here. You can choose all this maximum destination rate, like how much maximum cost you want to limit your calls per call. Let's say you don't want any call to be more costlier than $3. You can choose that here, and the call would be auto disconnected whenever the cost goes beyond that particular point. After hitting next, we have to assign the number. We have to assign the SIP connection. We're going to press here assign, and it is assigned. Now let us go back to here. Outbound voice profiles, Targio, channel limit, we already selected it 10. Enable instant ringback. This is basically, let's say you call a number and they don't pick up or just cut the call immediately. Let's say within 1 or 2 seconds, the AI agent is going to call them again within those 5 seconds. Okay, we're gonna hit next and assign numbers. This one we are gonna assign this number, and we are gonna press complete. Now view my connection. From here, now the first thing is, where is the number? We need the number. We're gonna open it on a new terminal. We are gonna copy this number. We're gonna come back to Retell. We're gonna paste it. Next one is termination. Okay, we are not gonna keep any hyphen. I don't think it matters, but just to be safe. Termination URI would be sip.telnyx.com. SIP trunk username, what did we use as our username? Okay, where in SIP trunking we are gonna go to Tarchio. We are going to go to authentication and routing. Here is the username. We are going to copy the username. We are going to copy the password, and we are gonna go here. Username, password. Okay, we're gonna save. That's it. Your number is imported. Now we are gonna assign our AI agent to that particular number. That's it. Complete. Thanks for your time for watching this video. Let me know if you want me to make more videos and what kind of videos. Let me know. Thanks.